Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Serbia ang Puerto Rico 107-66. Top performer si Nikola Jokic sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 15 rebounds, 9 assists at 2 steals. Nag-ambag naman ng 15 points at 9 rebounds si Filip Petrusev. Nagtala naman ng 19 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals si Christopher Ortiz para sa Puerto Rico. Tinambakan din ng USA ang South Sudan 103-86. Pinangunahan ni Bam Adebayo ang USA sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 7 rebounds at 2 blocks. Nag-ambag naman ng 14 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals si Kevin Durant. Anthony Edwards 13 points, 2 assists at 3 steals. LeBron James 12 points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists. Devin Booker 10 points, 6 assists. Derrick White 10 points, 3 steals. Habang si Jason Tatum 4 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Para naman sa natalong South Sudan, Noni Omot 24 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Carlick Jones 18 points, 3 rebounds, 7 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of July 31, 2024. Para sa Group A, Canada 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Australia 1 win 1 loss. Spain 1 win 1 loss. Greece 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group B naman, Germany 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. France 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Japan 0 win 2 losses. Brazil 0 win 2 losses. Para naman sa Group C, USA 2 win 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Serbia 1 win 1 loss. South Sudan 1 win 1 loss. Puerto Rico 0 win 2 losses. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong August 2, 2024. Magharap ang Japan at Brazil alas 5 ng hapon Philippine time. Magtutos naman ang Australia at Greece alas 7:30 ng gabi. Maglalaban ang Canada at Spain alas 11:15 ng gabi Philippine time. At sa August 3, 2024, magharap naman ang France at Germany alas 3 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.